It's almost 21 years since I departed with two friends, Ball and Antony Hollinshead, to climb Mount McKinley in Alaska. The expedition has gone down in history, particularly for us and our families and our friends, because it was a huge life-changing event. The last 21 years have taught me so much about life, so much about myself, so much about living and dying. Over the next few days, I am going to sit and recount the expedition and the experiences we had on Mount McKinley, because I'm a diary writer. And I've dug into my archives and have found this, the original diary from 21 years ago, from when we actually went climbing. I'm very lucky to have this. If any of you know the story, you will know that actually I came off the mountain with very little, but I did come off the mountain with this book. I also came off with some slide film and some prints. And combining those three, I am going to share those stories of what it's like to leave your family behind, go on the biggest mountaineering expedition of your life, and to come back a very, very different person indeed. It's going to start on the 30th of April. That is exactly 21 years to the day that we flew from Heathrow to Anchorage and started the climb. I will continue every day until I finish the diary, which of course will be the day before Summit Day. Summit Day itself was not a day for writing. It was a day for surviving, and it was a day eventually of rescue and living. But that's for another night.